Jeff, it's a nice day. I finally got my garage open. And look what I got all cleaned up. That's right. The 2-ton Terror. Isn't that a beautiful car? It's my first paint job. 1995 when I was 16. Mulsanne blue. Still looks the same way 30 years later. We should probably start it up, huh? Put the idle a little high right now. This car looks so good in this daylight. This time of year. This way this car has been for 30 years, amazingly. All this, the way it looks under the hood. My high school driver for a year and a half. Cold out. Let's see if we get that idle down a little bit. A little bit of low. We keep it around 700. Good for street driving. Curb idle about 650. That'll do it. Oh, first generation Flexolite before they were made in China. This set I bought, they actually started in Fife, Washington. And I bought this set for $500 in 1995. They're still on this car and work flawlessly, but they were American made right here in Washington State factory. Awesome setup. Thermocoupler, all the original stuff I put on there. Big boy aluminum radiator. It's actually from a circle track racing car. I had a friend, they had Pro Crap race cars. They did Northwest touring cars. Starting price to build a car from scratch for it was 150 grand. Went up from there. So I had access to cost for a lot of stuff. That radiator was $1,000 in 1996. Pretty crazy. Still all on my car. Those wheels, $100 at a wrecking yard. And they just needed to be polished up. They're still on my car. And yes, these tires are discontinued. These tires are 15 years old. But they don't make them like this anymore. Look at that. Not a sign of wear anywhere on them. Beautiful. That's when America was America. See you all on the flip side.